Hello, listener. Welcome to Listen and Learn. Here we make English learning simple, fun, and useful for everyday life. Stay with us to improve your listening, speaking, and confidence step by step. In this lecture, we are going to focus on 5 very simple and useful daily English sentences for beginners. So let's begin. These sentences are so basic that you can use them every single day, whether you are at home, at school, or just practicing English with your friends. Remember, learning English is not about memorizing thousands of words at once. It is about practicing small, simple sentences that you can use in real life. The more you use them, the faster you will improve your speaking skills. Let us begin with the first 5 sentences. Sentence number 1 is, "Good morning. How are you?" This is the most common way to greet someone in the morning. If you see your family members, classmates, or even a stranger, you can save this sentence with a smile. Sentence number 2 is, "I am fine, thank you." This is a polite response to the previous question. Beginners often forget that being polite is very important in English, so always remember to add thank you. Sentence number 3 is, "What is your name?" This is a very useful sentence when you meet someone new. If you want to make friends or just practice English with others, asking their name is the first step. Sentence number 4 is, "My name is." You can simply fill in your name here. For example, "My name is Ali." Very short, very clear. And finally, sentence number 5 is, "Nice to meet you." This sentence is great to end a short introduction politely. When you put these 5 sentences together, you already have a short but complete conversation in English. That is the power of practicing small sentences daily. Now, keep listening because in the next part, we will move to another set of 5 daily English sentences that will help you in daily communication. Now, let us continue with the second set of daily English sentences. These are focused on basic needs and requests that you often use in everyday life. Remember, the goal here is not only to learn the sentences, but also to repeat them again and again until you become natural to you. Sentence number 1 is, "Can you help me, please?" This is a very polite way to ask for help, whether you are in school, at work, or even in the street. Do not forget the word please, because it makes the sentence sound polite and friendly. Sentence number 2 is, "I don't understand." This is one of the most powerful sentences for beginners. If someone is speaking too fast or using difficult words, you can say this sentence. It shows that you are trying to communicate, and most people will slow down or explain again. Sentence number 3 is, "Can you say that again?" This is also very important for learning. Many beginners just smile when they don't understand, but that does not help. Instead, be confident and ask them to repeat. Sentence number 4 is, "Can you speak slowly?" Again, this will help you a lot when you are practicing English with others. Most people will gladly slow down if you ask politely. And sentence number 5 is, thank you very much. Gratitude is the key to building good communication in any language. When someone helps you, always remember to say thank you. With these 5 sentences, you can survive in almost any daily situation. You will not feel lost, and you will gain confidence in your learning journey. Keep practicing because the next set of sentences will help you talk about your daily routines. Great work so far. Now let us look at sentences that describe your daily activities. Talking about your day is a very common topic in conversations, and these sentences will help you share more about yourself. Sentence number 1 is, I wake up at 7 o'clock. You can change the time according to your real routine. This sentence shows others what time you start your day. Sentence number 2 is, I go to school. Or if you are working, you can say, I go to work. This is very simple, but very useful, because it describes your main activity in the day. Sentence number 3 is, I have breakfast in the morning. Eating habits are often discussed in conversations, so this is a natural way to talk about what you do. Sentence number 4 is, I like to read books. Now, this sentence can be used to share your hobbies. Instead of books, you can say, I like to play football, or I like to watch movies. And finally, sentence number 5 is, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Again, you can change the time to match your own routine. These 5 sentences help you tell a simple story about your day, from morning to night. Imagine you meet a new friend, and they ask about your daily life. With these sentences, you can easily answer without hesitation. The key is to practice them daily, even when you are alone. Try speaking in front of a mirror or record yourself. This way, you will train your tongue and your brain to think in English. Remember, practice makes progress, not perfection. Now, let's move to our final set of daily English sentences, which are about common social interactions. Now we have reached the final set of our 5 daily English sentences. These sentences are focused on common social interactions, the little things we say when we meet, talk, or leave people. Sentence number 1 is, excuse me. This is very useful when you want to get someone's attention politely, for example, in a shop or on the street. Sentence number 2 is, I am sorry. Use this when you make a mistake or when you want to show respect. It is a very important sentence in English culture. Sentence number 3 is, see you later. You can say this to a friend, a classmate, or a colleague when you are leaving. It is friendly and casual. Sentence number 4 is, take care. This is a warm and kind way to end a conversation, showing you care about the other person. And sentence number 5 is, have a nice day. This is one of the most positive sentences you can use anytime. It spreads kindness and makes others feel good. With these 5 sentences, along with the earlier ones, you now have a strong basic toolkit for daily English. You can greet people, ask for help, talk about your day, and interact socially in polite and friendly ways. Remember, language is not learned in a single day. It grows with daily practice. So take these sentences, repeat them every day, and use them whenever you can. Slowly, you will notice that English feels natural to you. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found these sentences helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective English lessons. Also, write these sentences in the comment section and practice them right there. It will help you remember better. See you in the next video, and until then, keep practicing and keep learning.